What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Let's find the value of a, given that 4 to the a times 4 to the a is equal to 80. Well, our first step will be for us to apply the property of indices that says when I have x to the power of m times x to the power of n, so long that they have the same base, this is equal to x to the power of m plus n when they multiply. And this is what is happening here. They have the same base. So we take one of the base, which is 4, and we add their exponent, which is a plus a. And this is equal to, now I'm going to be breaking down 80. 80 is the same as 16 times 5. Very good. Now this simplifies into 4 to the power of a plus a is 2a. This is equal to 16 times 5. Good. Now we can simplify further. 4 can be broken down into 2 squared, and it is raised to the power of 2a. This is equal to 16 is the same as 2 to the power of 4, and it is being multiplied by 5. Good. Now apply the property of indices that says that when I have x to the power of m, and this is raised to the power of n, this is the same as x to the power of m times n. That is, multiply the powers. So I take the base, which is 2. Now multiply the powers. 2 times 2a is 4a. And this is equal to 2 to the power 4 times 5. Good. Now it is now time for us to introduce logarithm. So since the base here that is carrying this exponent is 2, that is, I'm going to be taking the log base 2 of both sides. So I'll take the log, I'll take the log base 2 of 2 to the 4a. This is equal to, I'll take the log base 2 of 2 to the 4 times 5. Good. Now, here, we're going to be applying the property of logarithm that says that when I have the log of, let's say, m times n, for example, this can be written as log of m plus the log of n. Very good. Now, applying this to what we have here, this will be, here we have log base 2 of 2 to the 4a to be equal to, so this expression now becomes log base 2 of 2 to the 4 plus log base 2 of 5. Now, our next step will be for us to apply the property of logarithm that says that when I have the log of, for example, x to the power of p, which is an exponent, this can be written as p, which is the exponent, times the log of x. So this is carrying an exponent, and this is also carrying an exponent. So let's apply this property of logarithm. So this simplifies into 4a times log base 2 of 2 equal to, this the same thing, 4 times log base 2 of 2 plus log base 2 of 5. Very good. Now, there is another property of logarithm that says that when I have the log base x of x, so long as the base and the numbers are the same, this is equal to 1. And this is what is happening here. The base and the numbers are the same, so this will be 1. The same thing here, this will also be 1. So 4a times 1 is 4a, and this is equal to 4 times 1 is 4 plus log base 2 of 5. Very good. Now, in order to get rid of this 4, we're going to multiply through by 1 all over 4. So 1 all over 4 times 4a, this is equal to 1 all over 4 times 4 plus 1 all over 4 times log base 2 of 5. Now notice that this 4 cancels out this 4, leaving behind a to be equal to, this 4 cancels out this 4, 1 plus 1 all over 4 times log base 2 of 5. Very good. And this is our final answer. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.